Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to do fishtail braids. And I'm also going to be showing you all some of the hairstyles I came up with the fishtail braids. So if you guys want to see that, stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay you guys, so this is the wig that I want to try the hairstyle on. I'm not sure if I want to do it while it's on my head or on the wig head. As you can see, it's not on yet. I want it to be messy but like neat, so I can go ahead and put it on the wig head and do the hairstyle, which I think I'm gonna do is gonna be easier. So I have my other wig that I've been wearing prepped for when I want to throw her on again, but you know, I'm gonna take her off and put this wig on there and do the hairstyle on the wig head. One second. Now, as y'all can see, I switched my other wig. I just plopped her on. We're not sealing her down because we're gonna put this wig on. So I'm just gonna part it where I want to put my fishtail braids. Quick rule of thumb, y'all, if you're gonna do a hairstyle on a wig that's not on your head, put some push pins into the wig head so it doesn't slide. Okay, I got my first little part right here. We still have the bang that, you know, swoop back or whatever. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we're just going to go ahead and start braiding. All right, y'all. So time for the tutorial. Now pay close attention because I hurt my neck and my back making this. Amen. So we're just going to start off by sectioning off your braid. So wherever you guys want your braids, separate it with the hair tie with some hair clips. But make sure you have whatever hair you're not braiding away because it's going to try to catch on to the braid and we don't want those problems. So we take that braid that we have and we separate it into two even parts. And the first thing you do is take a little piece from the back of one side with the same hand. So if you're starting on the right side, use the right hand. Or if you don't have two hands, ask somebody to help you. Then you take a little piece from the back of that side and you're going to twist it over the top to the opposite side. That makes sense? See how that is right there? Now you do the same thing on the other side. See, I'm taking my other hand, taking a piece and putting it over the top to the opposite side. So you're basically taking small pieces from each side of the ponytail and bringing them over to the opposite side. And that's literally all you have to do to make a fishtail braid. It's easier to do this braid if you're standing directly behind the person or the wig. However you're doing the braid, it looks a little bit slow because I'm standing off to the side so y'all can see it. But this braid is really easy. This is a little bit more complex than a regular braid, but this is a little bit more fun to do and it looks unique. So you're basically taking small pieces from each side of the ponytail and bringing them over to the opposite side. And that's literally all you have to do to make a fishtail braid. But I'm just going to finish this braid and I'm going to do another braid on the other side. And I'm going to show you guys some hairstyles I did with the two fishtails. Definitely check my description box for more details. I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of this and stay tuned for the hairstyles I come up with at the end of this video. And while you're doing the braid, it's really important that you hold the two pieces of hair taut so it doesn't just fall apart. That's going to be the hardest part about doing this braid, is keep it from coming undone. That's what's different from a regular braid. A regular braid, you can just braid it up, but this one, if you're not holding the hair up by the work you already have done, it's all just going to fall apart. y'all, I'm gonna finish this braid real quick, but y'all can see how it's coming along. But my back is on fire and I cannot continue to show you guys without hurting myself. So I'm gonna be right back, finish this braid, and then we're gonna move on, okay? Okay, y'all, so I have the 2 braids in. I went ahead off camera and did this other braid. I didn't do it all the way down because I wanted this little short situation going on over here. You know, you can see this braid. This is the bigger braid. I'm just going to install this wig and we're going to show you guys the final results, okay? Wait. Y'all thought I was going to install it in this video? No. I already have 2 videos with this wig, installing it fresh, as well as reinstalling it. So if you guys want to check that out, definitely look in the description box and in the cards above. But I'm going to be right back and show y'all what it looks like installed. And that's going to be it. Now, after a while, I wasn't really feeling the letdown of this hairstyle, so I went ahead and made some more hairstyles and filmed it for you guys and showed y'all what I came up with. So let me know which hairstyle you all like the most. That's pretty much all for this video, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!